Welcome back to Stealthy Finance Tips. Today, we're diving into simplified account management techniques, everything you need to know to keep your finances in check. Managing your accounts doesn't have to be complicated. With the right techniques, you can streamline your finances and stay on top of your financial goals. Let's get started. First, let's define account management. It involves tracking, monitoring, and managing your financial accounts to ensure you're making the most of your money. This includes checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts. Proper account management helps you avoid overdrafts, manage debt, save for future goals, and ultimately achieve financial stability. Now, let's explore some simplified techniques for effective account management. First up, consolidate your accounts. If you have multiple checking and savings accounts, consider merging them. This reduces complexity and makes it easier to track your finances. Remember, fewer accounts mean less maintenance and fewer fees. Next, automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings, investments, and bill payments. This ensures you never miss a payment and consistently contribute to your financial goals. Leverage financial management tools. Apps like Mint, YNAB, and Personal Capital can help you track your spending, create budgets, and monitor your investments. Make it a habit to review your accounts regularly. Set aside time each week or month to check your account balances, review transactions, and adjust your budget as needed. Here are a few additional tips for successful account management. Set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having specific goals helps you stay motivated and focused. Keep track of due dates for bills and loan payments. Use a calendar or reminder app to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. Regularly monitor your credit report. This helps you catch any errors or signs of fraud early and ensures your credit stays in good shape. Simplified account management is all about being organized, using the right tools, and staying proactive. By following these techniques, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial peace of mind. Thanks for watching Stealthy Finance Tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. See you next time.